Please, what do you want? Good morning.
Weather bulletin. For the following county, Fayette, Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Fayette County in southwestern Pennsylvania until 9:30 a.m. At 9:05 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near South Connellsville, or near Connellsville, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts to 60 miles per hour and quarter-size hail. Source, radar. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Connellsville, South Connellsville, Seven Springs, Dunbar, Ohio Pile, Mill Run, Indian Head, Normalville. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Nearshore forecast.